Let's go to Dallas next. Sherry is up. Hey, Sherry. Thanks for the phone call. You are live.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm great. Thanks for the call. Dallas, you've been getting smacked with rain lately, haven't you?
Yes, we have. We sure have. So I wanted to ask you about how to treat bacterial dysbiosis.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's fancy schmancy doctor talk for you've got bugs in your digestive tract that shouldn't be there, and the bugs that are there aren't enough of them, right?
Yep.
So how do you know you have dysbiosis, or are you just assuming that you have dysbiosis?
Stool test.
What company did you do it with?
Honestly, I forget the company name. I'd have to...
Was it Genova? Genova?
That sounds right. That sounds familiar.
All right. So here's what I'm going to recommend you do. And you really just got to trust me here and follow my advice.
Okay.
Because when it comes to bacterial or, parasitic or dysbiosis in the human digestive tract, it's really pretty important, and it will save you tons of money and tons of time and tons of sleepless nights if you get a laboratory test which is sensitive and specific and which gives you decent results that you can, take to the bank and rely on. Because when it comes to dysbiosis of the digestive tract, we have to do two things. We have to identify which bug is there that shouldn't be there. We have to know exactly which one is there, and we have to know what kills it. And in the wonderful world of laboratory testing, hands down, the best laboratory in the world to test for this, and you're a fool if you go anywhere else, is Doctors Data out of Illinois. Doctors Data. I would go to, Direct Labs, DIRECTLAB like baby S, directlabs.com. You can order this test yourself through Direct Labs. You can sidestep the physician completely. You're not going to have to go to the naturopath or the MD or the chiropractor, right? Just order it yourself. The company is called Doctors Data, D like David, A, T like Thomas, A, Doctors Data. And the test that you want is a comprehensive stool analysis. Order a Doctor's Data comprehensive stool analysis. And when you get the test results, you'll ship them to you yourself. It'll tell you how much good stuff you've got, how much bad stuff you've got, and what kills the bad stuff that you've got. And it'll tell you the herbs that kill it, and it'll tell you drugs that kill it. And when you get those test results back, call me back, and I'll be able to hold your hand and help you figure it out. Now, in the meantime, here's what you need to do as kind of foundation, generic support the gastrointestinal tract protocol, okay?